Batu Camarines Sur, every day is a dance between the old and the new. Here, traditions live through celebration, work, prayer, and even in the simple joys of life. This is the story of our culture, a story we proudly share with the world.
In 1713, the Most Holy Trinity Parish was formally established. Since then, it has stood as a spiritual anchor for the people of Batu. The annual feast of the Most Holy Trinity is celebrated every Sunday after the Pentecost. Even today, the parish comes alive during Holy Week dramatizations, where locals reenact the Passion of Christ with solemn dedication and powerful storytelling.
Lake Batu, one of the largest lakes in the Philippines, is more than just a body of water, it is life itself. It feeds families, weaves stories, and cradles traditions. Generation of fishermen have built their lives on its blessing, and its tilapia, fresh, flavorful, has become a symbol of Batu's abundance. Tay, una ko pong ungakanin mo. Ano po sekreto kanang madaag masiram na tilapia sa Depo Lake Batu?
Pagbabang ka, kaya nagbabang kami sa biscuits, nagka-stila po sa amin ano. Pag-iwan dyan, binawag tamang.
Paano po nakakatabang anang Lake Batu sa pang-oral daw ninyo pong pamumuhay bilang individual?
Muna kaya ignalis na sila talaga yun. Sa ganyan ito sa aling naasa na sa nararo. Sigari, kaya ano naman, palong katabangan.
Kuya, paano po nakakatulong ang Batong Boulevard sa pang-araw-araw niyong kabuhayan?
So, for me, nakakatabang po ating Batu Boulevard sa mga pang-araw-araw na kabuhayan kung baga nag-open siya ng opportunity para sa dito po sa mga taga-Batuenyo, which is yun nga madami na yung nagtitinda dito, and also nakaka-attract din siya ng mga tourists dito sa Batu.
Okay, so we are here at Kim and Carl Carinderia, and we're going to try the different Latu de Lipo.
Bakit sa tingin ninyo ay patok ang pansit bato sa mga tao?
Yun na nga. Yun na nga, unang-una mura kasi ang pansit bato. Mura siya, masarap. And then, mabilis maluto.
Kahit wala nang grabing sahog,
Sahog.
talagang pang-masa talaga.
Pangmasa siya. Lalo na kung may mga kung may mga kalamidad, yan, number one yung pinangingigay. Relief, sa mga relief goods bagay.
Yung nakaraan ng bagyo, yan, nag-relief ka rin.
Nung Christine.
Christine.
Mahakagang.
Diba? Nag-delete ka ng pansit.
Yun.
Hindi lang naman.
Yun ang ano nga yung tanong mo? Bakit patok? Tatok, yun na. Tsaka yun na, patok na. Kasi matagal na rin to. Tsaka ito yung dito sa bato, dito sa diversion. Dito talaga yung dito yung puntahan. Di ba ano na siya, popular na siya sa mga, kahit
Kilala
OFW, kilala lang talaga. Kahit sa ibang lugar. Kumbaga
Kahit sa
nakilala
Japan
na.
nga, yung mga ibang pansit namin, dinadala pa ng kapatid ko punta, dinadala sa Japan. Dahil namimiss din nila yung lahat ng kapatid.
Parang staple food na rin. Kasi di ba happy ko, pang substitute sa bigas, sa kanin. Pwedeng iulam, pwedeng snack. Kasi yung bigas ngayon, di ba, mahal na. So, magpapansit ka lang, pwede mong pang-breakfast, pwede lunch, pwede rin basta lahat. Parang na din yan, staple food.
Gusto mag-tiktok pa kami ng pansit. Dito sa ako.
Every year, the people of Barangay Zamilla come together to honor their faith through the vibrant the novena, a night of devotion where families come to sing and pray in chorus, offering gratitude to the patron saint. The Dono, a heartfelt psalm prayer, fills the air with music and spirit, showing how deeply faith runs in the lives of the people.
Now the Lucena Fiesta is complete with the Evas of bouncing ball and roaring cheers. In Batu, basketball is more than a sport. It's a tradition.
During the fiesta, families welcome guests with a lot of food. You can smell good dishes like picadillo, menudo, igato, and sweet dessert. It is cooked with love and local fresh ingredients. Fiesta is a time to eat together, share stories together, and enjoy each other's company.
In Batu, elections are not only about politics. They are also the time when the whole community comes alive. Colorful posters fill the streets, motorcades pass through barangays, and speeches were given every year. Campaigns here reflect how people and leaders are connected through the song, the handshake, and the promise here.
Are you a first-time voter?
Yes po.
So, how was your experience as a voter?
My experience as a voter was actually one of a kind and notable because I have been part of the change, and I believe that this will be crucial for building a more resilient and progressive country. And this is the part where we choose our leaders as part of the community.
Paano nakakatulong ang mga personal na kampanya sa inyong desisyon bilang isang botante?
Para sa akin bilang isang botante, naging malaki yung epekto or bahagi nito sa paggawa ko ng desisyon kasi mas naging mabusisi ako sa pagboto and pagpili ng mga tamang kandidato at nakagawa din ako ng matalinong desisyon ngayong halalan.